Taking a screenshot on your macOS device is such a nice feature, but it's not the most intuitive. On Windows devices, you used to hit that old print screen button, and that's the way you do it. There's some really nice keyboard shortcuts on the macOS device that allow you to take those screenshots. So this video is just to show you those features really quickly. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually jump over and share my screen. Now, on your keyboard, if you have a Mac-based keyboard, I'm going to say the shortcuts that you're going to hit to do these two different types of screenshots. On a Windows device, it's just a few different, there's one key change you got to make. So on Mac devices, you have two ways that you can do it. You can hold down the Command-Shift-3 key, which will take a screenshot of your entire screen. If you're on a Windows-based keyboard, you're going to do Windows-Shift-3, and that will snap an entire shot of your screen. So if I push down Command-Shift-3, you just heard the little tone, and now you see in my bottom right-hand corner, I have a little screenshot image, and if I click on it, it's going to pull up the screenshot. And it will save it right to my desktop. You'll see that it appears on the right-hand side. The second way you can take a screenshot, and this is the one that I prefer, because a lot of times I don't want my entire screen. I just want a part of my screen. So if I do Command-Shift-4, that will turn my cursor into a little, kind of looks like a little target. And what I can do is actually select part of my screen. And you'll see when I click on the image down in the bottom right, now I only have part of my screen in that selection. And when I close it out, you'll see it appears on the right-hand side. So if you're on an Apple-based device, you hold Command-Shift-3 to take your entire screen, Command-Shift-4 to take part of your screen. If you're on a Windows-based keyboard on a Mac device, you'd use the Windows key Shift-3 for your entire screen, or Windows key Shift-4 to take just part of your screen. And you hold those three keys down together. So I'll actually push down and hold Command, push down, hold Shift, and then tap 3, or push down and hold Command and Shift and tap 4. So that's how you take a screenshot on your Mac OS device.